Hello friends, welcome back. If you are new, my name is Eileen. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 spring DIY projects. So let's go jump in. For this DIY, you need this frame from Dollar Tree, and we will be removing the glass. And also you need the black foam board. I got mine from Dollar Tree, and I will be tracing the glass on the foam board. I laid it on the foam board, and then I used my X-Acto knife to cut it. Make sure you have something under your work surface so that you're not gonna scratch your table. And here I will be using the level from Dollar Tree and also a Sharpie. I run the Sharpie 2 times to have the darker lines. We will make a shiplap forward, and we will be distressing it with my Waverly Elephant and this brush. I think this is for stenciling, but it still work. And I use the dry brush technique. I just dab off the excess on the paper towel. Then I will be using this jet black acrylic paint. I think this is the darker paint that I have. And then I just twist my paintbrush to make the wood nuts, like this. And then I also distress the board using the jet black acrylic paint. Then, tada! Here is our shiplap forward. I also added more jet black acrylic paint on the side of the board. I really love how it turned out. It's really beautiful in person. I'm so obsessed. And then I just put it back on the frame, and I also grabbed this from Dollar Tree. This is their new thing, new product. I spray painted it with my white gloss Rust-Oleum. I let it dry, and then we will be attaching it on the frame. And we will be adding a lot of greeneries, so it needs a base. I cut a small craft stick and I just hot glue it on the metal sign. Then we will be adding this lavender. I grabbed this at Walmart. Finally, I have some new greeneries. Walmart have some affordable and nice greeneries. So grab your greeneries. Thanks, Erica, for reminding me. And here I'm just stacking all the greeneries that I have on hand, and we will be using the zip tie to tie it. And don't worry too much with the arrangement because you can fix it later. Then we will be using this ribbon again from Joann's. I will just make a simple bow and put it in the middle of the greenery. Then we will be using the same ribbon to hang the sign. Then to add more details and texture, we will be adding this polka dots ribbon and it really looks good. And now it's ready to hang the sign. We are almost done with our DIY. I'm just gonna add some more details like this bow, and then I just hot glue the craft sticks on the board so that it will not move a lot. And we will be adding these butterflies. I got it from Dollar Tree and I think it's really beautiful. And I added more heather picks from Dollar Tree. And lastly, I will pinch the letters because they're not fixed. I tried to fix this earlier before I painted the sign, but the letter W breaks. So if you're gonna do this, be careful. Yeah, so I just hot glued the letter W and it works. You're done with this DIY. Ta-da! So what do you think of this project? I hope you like it. For this DIY, we will be using a jar. This is from Dollar Tree, but I used it on my previous project, Valentine's and Christmas. So I just removed the scrapbook paper. I sand it down because I cannot remove all the scrapbook that's in there. And we're just gonna clean all the dust using this vacuum. Her name is Jackie. She's very hardworking and it's very cute. I got it from Amazon. I will put the link on the description box below. And here I made this printable. You can have it if you like it. I'm gonna put it on the description box below. And then I will just trace the jar and cut it, and I will attach it using the stick glue. And then I will sand the side of the jar using the sunblock with the sandpaper. And here's Jackie again. She's cleaning my mess. She's very helpful and I wish I bought her long time ago. And I will distress the side of the jar using my Waverly Antique Wax. And also I distress the sign using the side of the brush like this. To add more details, I will be using this ribbon. This ribbon is from a gift wrap. I kept it because it's a nice ribbon. And then I will add twine on the ribbon. I wrap it twice. And I also made a simple twine bow and added it. And to finish it up, I will be covering the back of the jar with the cardstock. And then you're done with this DIY. For this DIY, you need this dustpan set that I've got from Dollar Tree. You can find it on the cleaning section. And we only need the dustpan. And here I'm removing the black rubber thing on the dustpan, and then we will be sanding it down using the sunblock so that the paint will adhere more. Then we will be using this Rust-Oleum chalk paint, line and white. I will give it a nice coat. It doesn't need to be perfect because this will serve as the base of this dustpan, and it looks like this. After that, we will be using the Waverly Moss. I will give it one incomplete coat because I want the white paint to show through. I also painted the back of the dustpan to have that finished look. And then I will use this gloss clear to seal the paint. And I let it dry for 2 hours. Then I went back and we will be using these stickers. The letter stickers are from Walmart, and this bike is from Dollar Tree. And I just lay it out. And for my letters, hello or the word hello, there's only one letter L, so I grabbed the letter T and I just cut the other side of letter T and inverted it, and it became letter L. And I will be using these stickers too. This is also from Walmart. And to secure all the letters and the bike, I will be using this spray glue from Dollar Tree. To apply it, just spray it 6 to 8 inches away from the dustpan, and then I also brush off all the excess glue on the side. Just let it dry, and then once it is dry, I decided to paint the handle, or I realized to paint the handle with my antique wax, and I just give it one coat. So if you will do this, don't paint the handle with the moss, just paint it with the antique wax. And then I also distress the side and the bike with the antique wax. Then tada! Here is our dustpan, and now I will be adding this ribbon. This is from Joann's. It was on clearance, like 70% off, because I got it on the Christmas section. And I'm making the rush bow again. It's a rush bow because I just eyeballed the size of the flap. I folded 4 flaps and then I tied it with the twine, and we will tie it on the dustpan. Then we will be adding some florals and greeneries that I've got from Dollar Tree, and I just hot glue it on the or under the bow like this. I will be adding this simple buffalo check bow that I made, and you are almost done with this project. We're just gonna add this floral wire because we will hang it, and if you decided to hang it, make sure to have a long wire or a long twine so that it will lay flat on the door or wherever you will hang it. And then you're done with this DIY. Then tada! Here is our DIY. I really love how it turned out, and Again, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a big thumbs up and let me know on the comment below what is your favorite. And if you are new to my channel, hello, you are welcome here. Thanks for dropping by. And please consider subscribing. I'm making lots of DIY projects and they are all budget friendly. Yeah, so bye bye guys. See you on my next DIY. Take care and God bless you all.